This is Earth, our home. A tiny, fragile bubble of life, drifting in the vast, silent emptiness of space. It seems peaceful, beautiful, and above all, safe. And this is a black hole, the universe's ultimate monster. An invisible predator that wanders the cosmos, governed by one simple, terrifying rule. Whatever it touches, it devours. So, what would actually happen if this monster decided to visit our quiet little neighborhood? Most people imagine a quick, dramatic end, the Earth being swallowed whole in an instant. But the truth is far, far slower and so much more terrifying. This is the step-by-step story of how a rogue black hole would truly, methodically, and spectacularly unmake our world. Part 2. The first warning, a cosmic dance of chaos. The destruction wouldn't start with a bang. It would start with a whisper. Years, maybe even decades before the black hole itself arrived. Its invisible influence would begin to touch our solar system. That influence is gravity. A gravitational wave rippling through space, heralding the monster's approach. The first to feel it would be the lonely worlds at the edge of our system. The Oort cloud, a distant sphere of trillions of icy comets, would be violently disturbed. A cosmic billiard game would begin, sending a deadly shower of comets hurtling towards the inner solar system. Earth's skies would light up with more shooting stars than humanity has ever seen, a beautiful, but ominous, fireworks display. Then, the outer planets would begin to dance to the black hole's tune. The orbits of Neptune and Uranus would wobble, then stretch, becoming dangerously erratic. Jupiter and Saturn, the giants that have protected Earth for eons by catching stray asteroids, would be pulled from their watchful posts. They might be thrown into each other or ejected from the solar system entirely, cast out to become rogue planets themselves. The solar system as we know it, our stable, predictable home, would be transformed into a chaotic, unpredictable mess. Part 3. The second warning, chaos on Earth. As the black hole drew closer, its gravitational pull would finally reach our corner of space. The Earth-Moon system, a partnership that has dictated our tides and stabilized our planet's tilt for billions of years, would be torn apart. The moon would be the first to go. Its orbit would become a wild spiral. Tides on Earth would become catastrophic. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high would scour our coastlines, wiping out every coastal city on the planet. As the moon was either flung into space or pulled towards the black hole, our planet would lose its anchor. The Earth's axis would begin to wobble violently. Seasons would become meaningless. The poles might shift in a matter of days, causing catastrophic earthquakes and volcanic eruptions as the planet's crust adjusts. But the worst is yet to come. The Earth's own orbit around the sun would be broken. We would be on a new, terrifying trajectory. There are two likely scenarios, each a different flavor of hell. In one, we are pushed away from the sun into the cold, dark void. The planet would freeze over, becoming a global snowball of ice. In the other, we are pulled inwards, on a death spiral towards our own star. The oceans would boil, the atmosphere would burn away, and Earth would become a scorched, lifeless rock. But for us, neither of these fates would be our end, because the black hole is still coming. Part 4. The main event, cosmic spaghettification. Now, the monster is at our doorstep. As we get closer, we begin to experience one of the most bizarre and terrifying phenomena in the universe, spaghettification. It's a simple concept, really. The gravitational pull of the black hole is so immense that the side of the Earth closer to it is pulled with astronomically more force than the side farther away. This differential is what kills us. First, the atmosphere would be siphoned off, a river of air streaming into the black hole. Then, the oceans would be pulled from the surface, forming a vast, swirling tendril of water stretching into the darkness. And then, the planet itself would begin to stretch. The very rock beneath our feet would start to deform, elongating, pulling apart like taffy. Mountains would be stretched into long, thin needles. Continents would crack and separate. The entire planet, our beautiful blue marble, would be drawn out into a long, thin stream of atoms, a cosmic noodle being fed into the mouth of the monster. This is not a quick death. This is the complete and total disassembly of our world, atom by atom. Part 5. The final journey. Beyond the point of no return, for any part of us that remained, the final journey would begin. We would cross the event horizon, the point of no return. Light cannot escape from here. Information cannot escape. The laws of physics as we know them break down. And here, in this final moment, we would experience the universe's greatest, most mind-bending trick, extreme time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. For an outside observer, we would appear to freeze at the edge of the event horizon, our image slowly fading over an eternity. But for us, as we fell into the black hole, time would speed up. We would be able to witness the entire future of the universe play out in what feels like a single, terrifying instant. We would see stars being born and dying. We would see galaxies collide. We would see the universe itself grow old and cold right up until its very end. Our final moment would be an eternity of cosmic knowledge. Dust in the cosmic wind, so if a black hole came to Earth, we wouldn't just be eaten. We would be gravitationally tortured, frozen, or boiled, stretched into cosmic spaghetti, and finally, our very atoms would be granted a front-row seat to the end of time. It's a chilling reminder that in the grand cosmic theater, we are not the main characters. We are not even a supporting act. We are just living on a tiny, fragile stage in a universe filled with forces and monsters that we can't even begin to comprehend. And our entire history, our art, our love, our wars, all of it can be erased in an instant, like dust in the cosmic wind.